In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Wix. In order to do that, just enter in here the domain that you want to use. Now for that, click onto the search option. So in here, you can see some domain suggestions that you can use for your Wix. So just head over and then just choose one. For example, let's head over and then choose this gtiara.io. You can head over and then just click on this add to cart option in order to purchase this. Now, once it's been added to your cart, you can click on this checkout option. And then from in there, just wait for this. And then just click on this confirm order. And then just enter your payment information in order to buy this. So once you have bought this, head over to your Wix. And then from in there, scroll down and click onto the settings. Now from in there, you can see the domain. So just scroll down and here it is. Once you have done that, just head over and then input right here the domain name that you have just purchased from Namecheap, and then click on this let's go option. So if it's already available, you can head over and then connect it using the on-screen instructions from your screen.